Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today's video dives into 20 amazing snap-on tools that stand out for their power, precision, and smart design. If you like seeing gear that makes tough jobs easier and faster, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. These US-made locking pliers deliver high clamping force and long-term durability, backed by a lifetime satisfaction guarantee. The patented power ring increases thread strength, while the pinned and brazed upper jaw stays secure under heavy use. This 3/8-inch impact wrench delivers 325 foot-pounds of breakaway torque and 240 foot-pounds of working torque, with 3 selectable torque settings for adaptable performance. A 100 lumen light-emitting diode work light improves visibility in low-light conditions. This soldering iron kit features automatic tip-over shutoff for safety and an orientation sensor for use at any angle. It heats up in 15 seconds and offers 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Fahrenheit, and 750 degrees Fahrenheit settings. 3 LED lights brighten the work area, and a 45-minute runtime on low extends used between charges. These 10-inch adjustable water pump pliers offer quick adjustment for tight spaces, 35 fine positions, and a wider jaw opening for versatility. The box joint design enhances stability, while Talon Grip diamond serrated jaws and hardened teeth deliver strong, durable grip. Cushion grip handles improve comfort and control. This engine starter delivers 550 cranking amps and requires no sequencing, making jump starts fast and straightforward. Dual USB ports 1.1 amp and 2.1 amp charge phones and small devices, and a built-in USB light provides illumination for low-light work, a practical solution for any automotive repair shop or service vehicle. These bone-conducting safety glasses let you listen without earbuds and work seamlessly with hearing protection. Bluetooth enables hands-free calls, and adjustable temple tips ensure a comfortable fit. Clear or smoke replacement lenses are available, and the 6-hour battery life with USB-C charging supports a full workday. This flush cut plier delivers clean cuts on cable ties and removes sharp edges on wire bundles. Front grooves help locate the flush cut area, and the vector edge throat provides precise, repeatable cuts through a range of materials. Cold-forged alloy steel ensures long-term durability, while cushioned plastisol handles enhance comfort and reduce fatigue. This digital Borescope delivers true high-definition imaging with a 5-inch touchscreen and picture-in-picture capability for simultaneous forward and side views. The 5.5mm dual-view imager captures fine detail, and optional accessory imagers expand versatility. Users can record images or video with text or audio notes, supported by a fast quad-core processor. The Ignite 360 welding helmet comes equipped with fixed shade number 3 and number 10 lenses, supporting a wide range of welding tasks and environments. It provides a 180-degree viewing angle and a large 50-square-inch viewing area for an unobstructed view of both the weld and surrounding workspace. The short barrel air hammer delivers 3,500 blows per minute with a hardened steel piston for strong impact in tight spaces. Dual elastomer cushions reduce vibration, and a Kevlar reinforced flutter disc enhances durability. A direct multi-port front exhaust keeps debris away, while the high-grade steel barrel increases strength. Snap-on EMS or EMSM sensor sockets are thin-walled, cutout-style sockets designed to remove and install sensors with attached wiring, such as oxygen and fuel sensors, without damaging the leads. They use precise 6-point contact for a secure grip and are built from high-strength alloy steel for long service life. These 6-inch FlankJaw pliers use FlankJaw geometry to apply force away from hex corners, delivering up to 30% more torque without damaging 1/4 to 1-inch fasteners. Talon grip design increases pulling power, while cold-forged high-alloy steel ensures strength and durability. This bushing driver set includes 8 adapters for servicing bushings on trucks, tractors, and buses. Each adapter secures to the threaded driver shaft with a knurled nut, and the industrial finish supports heavy-duty use. This 1/2-inch impact wrench delivers 1,000 foot-pounds of breakaway torque and 800 foot-pounds of working torque, supported by 3 selectable torque settings for different tasks. A brushless motor provides longer runtime and durability, while a variable speed trigger offers precise control. A 100-lumen LED work light improves visibility in low-light areas. This soldering tool includes automatic tip-over shutoff and an orientation sensor for safe use at any angle. It heats up in 15 seconds and offers 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Fahrenheit, and 750 degrees Fahrenheit settings. 3 LED lights illuminate the work area, and a 45-minute run time on low supports longer tasks. These water sensor wrenches are made from durable glass-filled nylon and include 4 integrated sizes: 40, 41, 42, and 46 millimeters. This single tool works with all OEM and aftermarket water sensor fittings commonly used in the market. The Deluxe roll cart features a sliding split top for easy access to a deep top compartment and a welded double wall design for durability. It includes 2 drawers under the lid, a 4-inch speed drawer, and full locking for both lid and drawers. These specialty seal drivers simplify CV axle shaft seal installation by ensuring proper engagement and protecting the protruding lip. They help prevent damage and support longer seal life, and are made in the United States from sourced alloy steel at the Elkmont, Alabama facility. This US-made ball joint press services a wide range of domestic and foreign vehicles, covering more than 330 models and over 700 ball joints, with optional adapters available for additional applications. The forged C-frame provides strength, a large throat, and vice mount capability, while snap ring retention keeps adapters secure. This rechargeable Mini Flex light provides dual-sided illumination with up to 500 lumens total and a 270-degree rotating magnetic design for flexible positioning. It features high-brightness LEDs, individual switches for the spotlight and bar lights, a dimmable switch with memory, and an integrated fuel gauge to show battery status. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. Hope this gave you a clear idea of what these snap-on tools can do. Stay tuned for more.